Hey guys, welcome back. If washing windows is one of those chores you always put off, then this smart cleaning gadget might be exactly what you need. Today we're checking out the Purerobo Robot Window Cleaner, an intelligent glass cleaning robot designed to handle one of the most difficult household tasks automatically. The biggest advantage of this robot is its AI intelligent drive system. Instead of moving randomly, it calculates efficient cleaning paths and automatically adapts to different window sizes and surfaces for better coverage. You can choose between several cleaning modes, including Z pattern, N pattern, combined modes, and manual control, depending on your cleaning needs. Another useful feature is the built-in water spray system. Using advanced atomizing technology, the robot creates a fine mist that helps loosen dust, fingerprints, and stubborn dirt while using less water than traditional cleaning methods. The left and right spray controls can even be managed remotely for more precise cleaning. Speaking of control, the included remote control makes operation simple and convenient. You can start, stop, change directions, or switch cleaning modes without touching the robot directly. Safety is a major priority as well. The Purerobo comes equipped with a G-sensor and fall protection system that help keep the robot secure while working on vertical glass surfaces. This makes it especially useful for large windows, balcony glass, and hard-to-reach areas. The robot works with tap water, filtered water, or specialized glass cleaning solutions, giving you flexibility depending on your preferences. And thanks to its 5.5-meter power cable, it can easily reach larger windows throughout the home or office. Whether you're cleaning mirrors, glass walls, sliding doors, or large exterior windows, this robot helps reduce effort and save time while delivering a cleaner finish.